that my love for abstract sounds were the sounds of the air raid siren. Because that's a sound you hear, and you don't know the source of it. As a child. And then the sound of the all clear. Well, that's sort of electronic music.
I feel like I'm traversing time, tapping into frequencies as I'm making sound from fragments of Delia's life, from her music and her voice, her words.
It is raining women's voices as if they were dead.
Sorry, it's just a little too posh.
It's for a drama about a time-travelling doctor.
A more complex sound still is white noise.
Something like that.
By the storm blown down, she'd a broken wing.
That sort of thing.
That's incredible.
Looking back, there was something at that time, 72, 73, 74, that went wrong.